17150 Yonge Street is a York Region facility located at the corner of Yonge and Eagle Streets in Newmarket. Important regional public services are available for York Region residents: public health clinics, social services, children's services, Ontario Works, housing services, provincial offences courts, York Small Business Enterprise Centre, and the Access York Contact Centre. The facility consolidates a number of other regional facilities that were once owned or leased within Newmarket. The building is conveniently located and easily accessible by transit, pedestrians, and car. A variety of public amenities such as a park, a convenience store, restaurants, and a daycare center are located within 800 meters.
17150 Yonge Street is a community facility for residents of York Region and was designed with them in mind. The environment was also a key driver of the building's design and functionality. WZMH Architects designed a green building in consultation with York Region staff and lead consultant Morrison Hirschfield. The building incorporates sustainable features that are in line with the region's commitment to environmental stewardship.
Green building refers to the use of environmentally responsible and resource-efficient strategies when designing and constructing buildings.
The goal of building green is to minimize environmental impacts while providing a healthy environment for occupants.
The globally recognized standard for measuring the sustainability of a building is called LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design.
The construction and operation of a building has a significant impact on the environment. Buildings consume approximately 1/3 of energy used in Canada. In creating this green building, we are helping to minimize environmental impacts.
Located along a major transit corridor, staff and visitors can conveniently get here by taking the Yonge Street Bus Rapidway located right in front of the building. The Newmarket Bus Terminal is also within walking distance. Travel routes and times can be found at yrt.ca. If you travel to the building with 2 or more people in your vehicle, designated carpool parking spaces are available. An adequate number of carpool spaces for staff and the public are located close to the main entrance. 60 bike racks have also been added to the building design to support alternative commuting. 17150 Yonge Street has been equipped with the infrastructure for future electric vehicle charging.
Cities, towns, and other built-up areas tend to be much warmer than nearby rural areas. This is called the urban heat island effect. 17150 Yonge Street has roofs which are helping to reduce the heat island effect with vegetated green roofs designed to minimize heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer, and a reflective roof which reduces heat gain at the top of the building. With vegetation covering 25% of the available roof space, the plants also provide a home for wildlife such as butterflies, bees, and birds.
A 6-story indoor living biofilter wall brings the outdoors in and circulates air to improve indoor air quality. The building's 8-story atrium fills the building with natural light. The atrium is also a wayfinding element and a point of reference that is highly visible in the building. The building was designed with narrow floor plans and low furniture to provide staff and visitors with access to ample natural light and views of the outdoors. The building has exterior light fixtures that minimize glare and help reduce negative impacts on nocturnal wildlife. The building has incorporated low-flow plumbing fixtures to reduce the burden on the municipal water supply and wastewater system. This results in savings of over 2.7 million liters of water per year, equivalent to 1 Olympic swimming pool. Cooling towers used for air conditioning can consume large amounts of water. To minimize this, the building harvests rainwater for cooling tower use.
The building's landscape design uses a mixture of native and drought-tolerant plants, which do not require an irrigation system. The species can survive with minimum maintenance or watering. Significant consideration was given to the design of the site to ensure the building has a neutral or positive impact on stormwater management. Building features such as bioswales, permeable paving, in-ground retention, and water-absorbing vegetation allow for optimal stormwater management.
To further reduce the building's impact on the environment, The mechanical equipment for the building's heating, ventilating, air conditioning, and refrigeration systems do not contain ozone-depleting refrigerants. Several energy conservation measures, ECM, have been included in the building design to achieve operational energy and cost savings. The building is equipped with energy-efficient lighting and controls. Occupancy sensors ensure lights are only on in an area that is occupied, and daylight sensors dim the lights when natural sunlight is present. In traditional elevators, energy is lost to braking as the elevator stops. Elevators in this building use regenerative braking, so the energy normally lost is transformed into electricity, which is supplied back to the building.
It was important to York Region to divert as much construction waste from the landfill as possible. During the construction phase, the team worked to limit offcuts and excess materials, use reusable blankets and strapping in place of cardboard and foam, and reuse excess materials such as insulation on other projects rather than sending elsewhere for reprocessing or recycling. As a result, the project was able to divert over 86% of construction waste.
The use of recycled materials was a key goal for the project as well. 20% of the materials used for construction included recycled content. The region is strongly committed to reducing waste during the operational phase of the building. This includes the collection of organics and recycling within the building, and reduction of waste that is hauled to the landfill.
York Region also ensured that locally sourced materials were used in the building. 37% of the materials were sourced from within 800 kilometers of the building. This helped to cut down on the need for transporting materials for long distances, which helped to lower greenhouse gas emissions.
The building contractor and lead consultant worked together to help ensure optimal indoor air quality by using adhesives, paint, coating, composite wood, and flooring with extremely low off-gassing.
We are so pleased to have a green building that reflects York Region's commitment to protecting and sustaining the environment while providing important regional services to our residents.